Hi friend, welcome to my channel. Let's draw Pokoyo and Pato together. Are you ready? Let's start! Draw 2 ovals for each one of Pato's eyes. Draw the beak with a diagonal line and a large curved line. Trace the head outline with a curved line and draw the head with 2 more curved lines. Draw the body with a vertical line and a U-shaped line. Draw the arm with 2 small curved lines and draw another vertical line for the body. Draw a small triangle for the tail. Draw a vertical line, a U-shaped line, and another vertical line for the paw. Do the same thing for the other paw. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape. Draw the outline of Pokoyo's face like I do. Draw the head with a large semicircle and draw a small curved line on top of it. Draw 2 ovals for each eye. A small circle for the nose and a small rounded triangle for the mouth. Draw the zipper of the jacket with a U-shaped line and a small semicircle. Draw the right arm with a curved line and a diagonal line. Draw a curved line and a small inverted U-shaped line for the hand. Draw 1 vertical, 1 horizontal, and 1 vertical line for the shirt. Then draw the other arm with 2 diagonal lines. Add the head with ears with 2 curved lines. Draw the leg with a diagonal line, a semicircle for the foot, and another vertical line. Draw the second leg with 2 vertical lines and a small curved line. Draw a diagonal line for Pato's arm. Wow! Our drawing turned out great! Now let's get the colors. Use black for the eyes. the skin of the face and hands with pink. Color the inside of the mouth with red. Use light blue for Pokoyo's head and clothes. Color Pato's face, body, and Pokoyo's jacket zipper with yellow. Use orange for the beak and legs. And use green for the hat. Excellent! Our friends Pokoyo and Pato turned out great, and they are ready to have fun with you. Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!